I'm Anna Shadbolt, and a large part of my job is conducting research and being in the field and data management, things of that nature. But it also kind of depends on the day. Sometimes I'm in the office, sometimes I'm in the field, sometimes I'm mentoring our students or meeting with producers. So today, primarily, we were working with a unit called the GreenFeed. This is a product from CLOC that measures emissions from cattle. And so they put their head into the machine, they get a little snack, and while they're eating their snack, they get their emissions read. The main one that we're concerned with is the methane emissions, but it measures oxygen, CO2, several other things. So this lets us look into what each individual animal is producing. But today we are putting a GreenFeed machine, which is what we measure the cattle emissions with cow-calf pairs. So this is really the foundation, if you want to think of it that way, of the cattle industry. And we're looking at the entire life cycle of this animal now. So all the way from the females to the calves to the steers and finishing processes on rangelands, getting that really, really broad, zoomed out scope of what the cattle industry looks like from an emission standpoint. But the next step in this would be to work with real life producers and have this on real working ranches and have this go from not just a research site, but maybe a statewide, regional, or even nationwide mission to look at these emissions, look at these genetics, and looking at what sustainability means to the individual producer, I think is really valuable. And CSU, I think, as a whole, really, really values the public and getting people knowledge. So working with your institutions the best you can, I think, is a great way to learn more and to be more involved.